Hello everyone! Today we're going to recognize the letter C. We're going to be doing different tasks that help us to remember and know the letter C and the sound it makes. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter C. What sound does the C make? It makes the k, k, k sound, and it's a bouncy sound. Shall we write the letter C? So we're going to start from the top line below, just from the top line below, and we're going to go up to the top line, come down all the way to the bottom line and go up to give it a curl. Well done. And shall we write the lowercase c, which makes the k, k sound? Let's go. Again, we're going to start from the line below. We're going to go round, down, and then go up to give it a curl. Well done. Fantastic job. Now we have 3 letters here. Can you see the letter C here? Let's name the letters and then we'll find the letter C. B, C, N. Can you point to the letter C? Super job, well done. Great work. Now we have 3 letters here. Can you see the letter C? Okay, let's name the letters, then we will find the letter C. Z, T, C. Can you point to the letter C? Well done. Super job. Well done. Now we have some more letters here. Can you see the letter C? Let's name the letters. C, I, S. Can you point to the letter C? Well done. You found the letter C. Super job. Well done. Now we have a lowercase letters and we're going to look for the k sound. So that is the letter C, which makes the k, k sound. Are you ready? Let's say the sound. M, k, a. Can you point to the k sound? Super job, well done. Great work. Now we have some more sounds here and we're going to be looking for the k sound. L, s, k. Can you point to the k sound? Well done. Great work. Well done. Okay, we have some more sounds here. Let's say the sound and then we're going to find the k sound. K, e, e. Can you point to the k sound? Well done, super work, well done. Now we have a puzzle here. We have lots of letters where the sound k is hiding in there. So we're going to look for the k sound and highlight it red. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Can you find the first k? Well done. Let's color it red. Super. Let's have a look for the next one. Have you spotted it? Let's highlight it red. Well done. So we found 2 k's. Are there any more? Well done. We found another k. Fantastic job. Let's look for some more. No? No, we can't find any more. So that means there's only 3 k's over here. Well done. Fantastic. Now we got the letters and we're going to find the letter C here. So let's see how many C's we can find. Well done. Shall we color it? Fantastic job. Yes, that's the letter C. Let's have a look for the next one. Fantastic job. Well done. Have you found the next one? Well done. Are there any more? Yes. Okay, let's color it red then. Well done. So we found 1, 2, 3, 4. What are you saying? Are there more? Let's have a look. Okay, there you are. Well done. So we found 5 letter C's. Well done. Fantastic job. Great work. Now we have pictures here. Which picture starts with the letter C? Shall we have a look? Let's name the pictures. Lion. Dolphin. Cow. Okay, let's have a look. So it's not lion because it's gone down. It's not the dolphin. We are left with a cow. Well done. Cow begins with the letter C. Cow. Okay, again, we can name these pictures to see which picture starts with the letter C and the sound K. Squirrel. Squirrel. Seal. Camel. It's not the squirrel. It's not the seal. Well done. It is the camel. Let's have a look. Let's name these pictures. So we have here carrot. Carrot. Pineapple. Strawberry. Which picture begins with a cat sound? Let's have a look. It's not the pineapple. It's not the strawberries. Well done. It is the carrot. Let's think about a word that starts with the letter C, which makes the k sound. Cat. Fantastic job. Well done. Shall we have a look to see which sticker we're going to get? You've done a fantastic job. Well done. Let's have a look. Okay, here we go. Here comes the sticker. It's a pumpkin with a kitty inside. Well done. You've done a fantastic job. Well done. Okay, bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.